President Irfaan Ali, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, addressed soldiers at camp based in Ghana about Venezuela's actions. He emphasized that Ghana will continue to follow international law as Venezuela persists with its illegitimate territorial claims. The president disclosed that he asked the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to formally communicate Guyana'S concerns to the International Court of Justice, ICJ, international partners, and Venezuela itself.
We do not take lightly, and we condemn the bridge that they would have built on territory or accessing territory that is not theirs.
President Ali reassured citizens, saying the government remains committed to defending the country's sovereignty with the support of its people and international allies.
We promise all of Guyana one thing. All of Guyana belongs to all of us, and all of Guyana will and must be protected by all of us. And that is a resolve of you, the men and women in uniform.
President Ali outlined plans for a modernized defense force, emphasizing the use of new technology, advanced training, and increased education for service members.
Importantly, to greater technology that will allow us to optimize our human asset, in defense of our country.
He reaffirmed government's investment in the well-being and capability of the Ghana Defense Force, with more than $115 billion invested over the last 4 years.
Our defense is built on many planks. Firstly, it is built on our own determination, our own selfless action, our own men and women in uniform. It is built on you, the investment we make in you.
The Ghana-Venezuela border has been a long-standing point of contention, but recent developments include Venezuela's construction of a bridge on Guyana'S territory, further exacerbating tensions. The matter is currently before the International Court of Justice, ICJ, for resolution. Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Nightly News.